The Sun Spears aren't much of an army, but they are an inspiration.
Anything is better than relying on Joko.
You're a mess. We need to get you cleaned up.
Joko is probably stewing on his bone throne somewhere.
First, Joko will kill the Sun Spears, then us.
Hi there. Did you happen to come from the south?
That's right. I came from the Elon Riverlands.
May I ask you a few questions about modern Ilona, on behalf of the Dermond Priory?
I'm afraid I won't be much help to you. My entire family was exiled from the kingdom when I was a child.
Exiled? Am I correct in understanding that you left Palawa Joko's dominion unwillingly?
My parents' sedition cost us any chance to ever be awakened. We were sent to the work farms outside the Bone Wall.
You regret losing a chance to join an army of the undead.
King Joko awakens his citizens to care for and protect their families forever. His greatest blessing. A loss
Teamwork
to
is
us.
key.
I-
The more you collect, the better everyone does.
I'm sorry to hear that. Thank you for your time.
Please, be patient. We're working to provide whatever aid we can.
Some of us have
Do this.
Everyone is doing great. Gather as many coins as you can before time runs out.
bound, the Jackals are vicious forces of nature. They would strip the flesh from your bones if given the chance. But once bound, the Jackal can be broken and its essence saved.
There's a mount race coming up. Speak with me if you're interested in participating.
In the eyes of the Jackal, you see all that remains of their Marganite forebears. The rest comes from the workings of our magic, both form and function. As they are composed of the sand, we give them a shape indigenous to the desert.
Time to do some real damage. You'll be doing that one for days. I can outrun a centaur.
Nothing to kill here.
Alice too well guarded.
How so? When you get tired of waiting around, you can pass the time with a nap.
Ah, that reminds me. Would you mind keeping an eye out while I catch up on some sleep? It was a long ride out here. I'm joking, of course.
Yeah.
Ley energy has turned a docile ghost into a nightmare. Do the right thing.
As if anyone would believe that. I won't fall for such preposterous lies.
adrenaline rush. Can't stop me! No. Hear me!